To change keyboard language on Redmi 15, first of all we need to open Settings, scroll all the way down, and then go to Additional Settings. After that, we're gonna go to Languages and Input. Next, go to Manage Keyboards, and tap on the Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this smartphone. Now we're gonna go to Languages over here, and if you want to change the language, first we need to add a new one, so we're gonna press Add Keyboard, and then you can choose the new language that you wish to use. We can also search. So let's say I'm gonna just write English. There we go, and let's say we're gonna choose English Australia. Over here we can also choose the layout, and we can press Done. If you want to remove the alt language, you can tap on this pen icon in the top right corner. We can select the alt language that you wish to remove, and then press this trash icon, and there we go, now it's gone. But let's say that you want to use multiple languages. So in that case, if you want to change a language on the keyboard, all you have to do is simply tap on this icon that is being highlighted right now. So if you tap over here, you should be able to switch between keyboard languages, and the current language is visible on the spacebar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.